stare at the camera.
Guys, heads back, hands in the air. All the way up, 80 meters, 160 kilometers an hour. 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Next time, skin condoms or you won't feel shit! Like Weirden, come on, we need some skin! Do you reckon when he saw, dude?
Huh?
Do you reckon he saw?
Yeah, probably, mate. Worth it.
See it on the camera. See it on the screen at the back, dude. You can watch it.
Oh, yeah. That'll be funny. She could be looking at it, she could be like, what the fuck?
You'll be like, what the fuck? You didn't say shit.